Xelor Air Conditioning. With lots of contractors calling Miami home, it's no wonder that the HVAC system in your property could be vastly different from others. Fortunately, being able to work on diverse HVAC setups is one of Xelor Air Conditioning's core strengths. We have been in business for air conditioning, heating, air quality, water heaters. Xelor Air and Heat is a state-certified power and light participating contractor. Our insured and licensed, LIC #CAC 1816411, company works on residential and commercial HVAC systems in the most cost-efficient manner. When we started this family-owned business in Miami, Florida years ago, we had a single goal in mind. We aim to provide families in the area with comfort solutions that fit not only their lifestyle but also their pocketbook. Our skilled team of factory-trained professionals offers expert installation and maintenance services. Furthermore, we have a fleet of trucks and a warehouse full of parts and equipment. The heating and cooling solutions you require are just minutes away. Our talented technicians have the experience to understand what's going on with your particular situation and the ability to provide the best possible solution efficiently and effectively. For more information, please visit our website, www.xelorair.com. Or contact us through phone, 305-554-0993. You can visit our office, 8371 Southwest 44th Street, Miami, Florida, 33155. Xelor Air Conditioning.